Okay, let's go.
Hello， 大家好啊！嗱，拍片呢一刻咧，玉山世界公開賽未打完㗎，咁喺呢個 moment 仲係打緊4強嘅第一場波啊！奧蘇利雲咧同二澤打成4-4嘅而家，咁啊點解出片得咁吊詭咧？呢個 moment 啊，因為咧決賽之後咧就要即刻瞓覺啦，第二朝4點半就要起身趕去機場啦，咁啊 plan 咗一個北海道嘅旅程啊！咁啊 plan 得好急㗎，點解咧？就不如私人嘢，我就留翻節目最尾段咧，先同大家分享啦。嗱，咁啊講翻玉山世界公開賽啦，隨住丁俊暉 unqualify 之後啦，整個賽事嘅焦點咧，當然就會落喺趙心童同埋奧蘇利雲身上㗎啦。咁啊加上咧，趙心童咧就係攞到2月份嘅最佳球手啦嚇，咁啊2個冠軍咧就實至名歸噶啦。咁啊隨住趙心童喺16強止步之後啦，咁而家整個焦點咧就係完全集中晒喺奧蘇利雲身上噶啦。加上啦8強嘅時間對 Ryan Day 就做出一個世界紀錄啦，打咗一 Q 153分啊！咁呢 Q 153分咧對奧蘇利雲嚟講咧就好大意義噶。咁咧，不如聽下佢自己點樣講下。
Ronnie, many congratulations on the win, but first and foremost, the 153, just when we think we've seen it all in snooker, you come up with something else. Just how much of a buzz was that?
Yeah, it was a great buzz. I could have got the other black, but I just thought, you know what, I don't think anyone's ever made a break above 147 on TV, so I thought it would be the first. So I've been the first in many things, so I thought I might as well get that one as well. So it's great, and I feel blessed to be able to, achieve these things, and yeah.
I know you don't always think about records and things, but at some point when you hang up your key, you're going to leave a legacy, and these moments, I suppose, are what are going to be there.
Yeah, exactly. Thank God for YouTube and streaming and stuff like that, because it can just be, if you're interested in a certain subject, it would just throw, the algorithms would just throw loads of good stuff, whatever you're interested in. So I'm sure long past when I'm not here, there'll still be people going, oh, that was pretty cool what that guy done. Yeah.
咁正如我頭先講啦，奧蘇利雲任何嘅比賽啦，就都係焦點嚟㗎啦。咁喺賽前亦都接受訪問啦，佢係仲未打算退休㗎。咁佢話而家咧就係重新調教緊自己啊，重新咧係 training 緊自己啦，同埋咧好樂意接受外界嘅幫助嘅。咁啊呢期咧佢練習亦都好辛苦啦。咁佢亦都形容咧就如果佢個競技狀態咧恢復翻巔峰嘅時間啦。咁佢形容如果做到咧，就係職業生涯最偉大嘅成就啊！咁啊，至於佢經過一輪嘅刻苦訓練咧，有咩成果咧？我哋又可以聽下佢自己親身演繹嘞噃。
Yeah, I mean, I don't feel great over any shot, to be honest with you. I'm just trying to find a new method which allows me to get the cue through. That's all. On some shots, I don't really know where the ball's going. There's some shots I just can't play anymore because I've had to change my method, and I just can't get to the hitting point of the shot. But I have to accept that. Okay, I'd rather have what I've got now than what I had before. What I had before was I couldn't play. So at least here I feel like I can get through the ball. I can make some breaks. I can get the white moving about. But there's certain shots I just don't have in my locker. Maybe they'll come at some point. But at the moment, I'm just grateful to have what I've got.
咁啱啱睇完第9局啊，奧蘇利雲而家係領先緊5-4啊，好緊張啊呢場比賽啊！本來咧就頭2局咧就我覺得冇乜懸念啦，睇完頭2局，咁啊原來咧就係吳二澤啦駁到嘴啊，咁而家好緊湊噶，咁啊一路做片啦，一路拍片，一路睇啦，都幾寫意嘅喎。咁啊由於今集咧真係冇時間剪片啊，所以今集咧就唔會好長噶。講翻啦，世界公開賽嘅一啲比較驚人嘅賽果先啦。咁總括嚟講咧，整個比賽大部分賽事都正路噶。咁除咗啦，堅叔嘅第2000場比賽啦，佢一生人之中第2000場嘅職業比賽啦，就輸咗俾 Stan Moody 啊。咁啊呢個冷門咧，亦都真係幾冷門噶。 咁當然啦 ，Stan Moody 亦都係一個後起之秀啦，個起緊嘅英格蘭球手啊，希望佢咧日後會爭取到更好嘅表現啦。咁仲有一個比較冷門嘅賽果咧，就係比數爾喺第3圈啦，就輸咗俾拉脱維亞嘅 Sessions 啊。咁啊，比數爾呢2個球季咧就一直係好掙扎㗎。咁但係睇翻個表咧，頭先睇翻個 ranking 表咧，就係佢仲可以保到職業嘅。即係話下一季咧都唔需要跌出職業啦，咁但係咧下一季一定要爭取到好成績，先至可以延續佢嘅職業之路啊！嗱咁啊，隨住冰咸啦、利素和斯基、周若龍同埋張安達相繼出局啦，咁就丁俊暉嘅世錦賽嘅16種子咧就比較穩陣㗎啦，而家嚇就冇乜懸念㗎啦。咁但係咧數字上咧，如果泰查亞咧攞到今次嘅玉山冠軍咧，咁泰查亞就可以打 Tour Championship 嘅。咁如果 Tour Championship 攞埋冠軍咧，先至可以影響到丁俊暉嘅16種子呢個排位嘅啫。咁雖然數字上咧泰查亞都仍然有機會啦，可以躋身世錦賽嘅正賽啊，咁但係實際上嚟講咧就難過登天嘅噃。咁啊應承咗2位觀眾咧，就喺今集咧就解答下佢哋有2個問題嘅。咁其中一位觀眾咧就話趙心童今次嘅第一場比賽咧發生呢個情況啦，點解個啡波擺錯咗位咧，就唔可以擺翻去原位咧？因為原位都有空間啊。咁理由就係咧，趙心童咧已經係第2桿出咗 Q 噶啦。咁趙心童咧就先至詢問球證咧，喂，擺錯位噃。咁但係呢個情況之下咧，因為你第2桿已經出咗啦，或者喺第2桿出 Q 之前犯規啦，嗱呢個啡波咧就冇得喐噶啦嚇，就直至到打入為止啦，先至翻自己屋企嘅。咁我呢度咧就唔係揶揄裁判啊，呢個咧可能喺觀眾嘅心目中，哎呀好渣啊，點乜乜啊，咁喺我哋裁判嘅心目中咧，咁呢啲係好少嘅錯嚟嘅啫。咁但係球例點樣正確嘅方法去判決咧？咁我呢度咧就只係同大家分享下球例嘅判決嘅啫嚇，絕對唔係對呢個裁判嘅揶揄噶。咁另外仲有一位觀眾咧就希望我反映俾香港世界格蘭披治賽嘅主辦方咧，反映一樣嘢咧就係話票價咧就太貴啦。咁但係我咧之前嘅節目已經解釋過啦嚇，咁其實海外嘅賽事咧就同英國嘅本土賽事唔同噶。世界格蘭披治賽咧我都同大家比較過咧，同當其時差唔多同一時間舉行嘅德國大師賽咧個票價基本上係相若噶。咁啊證明香港嘅觀眾咧就唔係太習慣今次格蘭披治賽票價嗰個價格啊，反映俾主辦方聽啦。咁啊希望咧就佢哋可以聽下觀眾嘅心聲咯。咁啊除此之外咧，就卓林普同梅菲都有少少微言㗎，對香港格蘭披治賽啊，因為佢哋就唔係話票價嘅問題啊，因為佢哋都要知道咧，海外嘅票價咧就係差唔多大同小異㗎啦。但係佢哋就覺得咧，主辦方嘅宣傳唔夠啊。譬如話卓林普為例咧，就大家都知啦，佢女朋友係香港人啦。咁佢都問過佢女朋友嗰啲朋友咧，佢話佢女朋友啲朋友咧都唔知道有呢個賽事舉行嘅。咁所以咧就如果想熱鬧啲咧，就真係可以喺宣傳方面咧再下一啲功夫嘅噃。咁亦都順帶一提咧，今次嘅玉山嘅 World Open 嘅票價咧就100蚊就去到2000蚊㗎。咁啊，譬如我上年8月份去嘅上海大師賽啦，最貴嘅票價咧就都要2580蚊㗎。咁但係當然啦，我補充一點咧，就係上海大師賽嘅入場人數都係偏少嘅。咁所以希望各主辦方咧，如果想熱鬧啲啦，球手打得開心啲、精彩啲啦，喺票價方面咧就真係可以落少少苦功㗎。咁啊，以小弟咁多年嘅睇波經驗啦，點都係最性價比高嘅比賽咧，就係世錦賽嘅資格賽㗎啦。 今年都係維持12磅咧，係一日票㗎，性價比相當之高㗎，包括埋最後一日嘅決勝日啦。咁2017年咧仲有買2送1嘅，咁而家唔知有冇啦嚇。咁今年都係喺 Sheffield 舉行啦。咁大家如果觀眾咧就想攞資料嘅，咁你可以私信我啦，我會俾啲資料你嘅，喺邊度打啊？喺 Sheffield Station 啦，即係石飛嘅火車站去咧，就搭 Uber 應該係10分鐘車程嘅啫。咁睇翻頭先嗰條片啦，奧蘇利雲嘅受歡迎程度嘅片啦，大家可以見到奧蘇利雲身邊有個肥仔 Mark 啊，着紅色衫嘅，呢個咧就係 WST 嘅保安員嚟嘅。咁點解要講佢咧？因為佢都係一個球證嚟嘅嚇。咁球證咧當然咧就係一個 part time 嘅啫嚇。咁正職咧就係 WST 嘅 security 嚟嘅。咁例如今年嘅世錦賽嘅決賽裁判啦 ，Rob Spencer 先生啦，咁佢之前咧亦都係一個警務人員嚟㗎。咁經過13年嘅執法經驗咧，喺 World Snooker 咁終於可以登頂啦。咁其實要做世錦賽嘅決賽裁判啦，都起碼要12-13年嘅資歷㗎啦。咁就算咧舊年嘅波斯魯娃小姐咧，其實咧雖然佢就30鬆啲歲嘅啫，但係佢都執法咗超過13年㗎啦。喺舊年執法之前啊，咁補充翻啲業餘賽事啊、職業資格啊，咁Q Tour 嘅 Playoff 啦，3個席位誕生咗㗎啦，2個 Ashley 啦，一個 Ashley Carty 啊，一個 Ashley Hokill 啦。另外咧就加埋咧就掙扎咗2年啦，跌出咗職業2年嘅 Chris Stedman 啦。咁恭喜晒3位咧，就明年咧就可以再度咧就獲得2年嘅職業賽嘅 Tour Card 啊。咁好緊張啊！而家咧就係啱啱5-5啦嚇，吳怡澤咧就追成5-5啊，決勝局啦。咁我哋咧今日就差唔多噶啦。咁講翻咧就點解啊小弟咧就要咁急咧就去北海道旅行喎？咁由於小弟百足咁多爪噶啦，就乜都啱我，桌球啊、足球啊、F1 啊，乜都話關我事啊。咁難得咧就禮拜一開始咧。呢個星期咧就係冇英超啦，冇桌球啦，冇歐聯啦，咁所以呢個 planning 就好急㗎嚇，咁1個星期前先至博取嘅啫嚇，但係咧又可以俾我 join 到團喎，今次咧就唔係自由行啊，今次咧因為我係第一次去北海道啊，今次係跟團啊，鴨仔團啦，咁所以咧就係到時咁早起身嘅。咁所以今條片咧就講到呢度啦，就唔可以太長，因為冇時間剪啊。加上咧而家決勝局開始啊，咁大家有咩問題咧，可以隨便發問啦。就中意呢條片嘅，俾埋個 like 我啦。咁就回覆一定會回覆㗎，但係咧今次嘅回覆咧就應該會喺北海道先覆到你哋嘅留言啦嚇。咁我哋今日就講到呢度啦，下一集再見，拜拜。